Hello YouTube, today we're doing an unboxing video of a Walking Dead limited edition PlayStation Vita bundle. This was purchased at a local Best Buy store. You could also get them on Amazon. This bundle came out last week. And you get a complete first season of a Telltale game called The Walking Dead. You also receive a newest episode, 400 Days. This is a 3G Wi-Fi edition, and it includes a 4 GB memory card, and you also get a game voucher. Here's the box. On the back, it just shows you that you can access over 650 games available for purchase on PlayStation Network. Experience brilliant 5-inch OLED touchscreen, dual analog sticks, and right here it shows you contents of the package. So you receive a Sony PS Vita system, 4 GB memory stick, digital voucher for Walking Dead complete first season, USB cable, AC adapter, AC power cord, and printed materials. Let's get to it. So you take the box off with the cover art, and you'll get regular PS Vita packaging. This is a promotional code for full downloadable game. You have a 4 GB Sony PS Vita memory stick, printed materials, AR play cards, so you get the AR play cards and a memory card user's manual. This is power supply. Actually, it's a brick that connects to the cord, and this is a cord that goes in the AC. Connects right here, and you have a USB cable that you connect on the other side of this brick, and it goes into your PS Vita. Nothing more here. Quick start guide. Using your PS Vita system for the first time. And this is the Vita itself. As you can see, there's no special markings on the PS Vita itself for this limited edition, so you pretty much get the same PS Vita as you would get in any other packaging. And what else is here? PlayStation Vita User's Guide. This is it, and that's just the box. Nothing else here. So this was the unboxing video of a PlayStation Vita limited edition bundle with a Walking Dead game by Telltale, and this is what you get in the box. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.